Can we cool down the dark matter in the space? This is one of the astronomical puzzles. So today we will solve this topic only. So be with us, see the video till the end, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel to get more and more interesting videos like this. So let's start without wasting the time. The universe is full of things that we still don't understand. One of such mysterious things is dark matter that occupies around 27% of the universe. Although dark matter has never been observed, in its presence would explain several otherwise puzzling observations. So far, we know dark matter doesn't interact or emit electromagnetic radiation like light, and therefore it's invisible to the electromagnetic spectrum. However, it influences the large structure of the universe, affects the cosmic microwaves background and the formation of galaxies. Distributions of baryons and dark matter is very different. While a notable amount of baryons have radiated away much of their energy and fallen deep into the potential wells, the dark matter resides in extant halos. Because this difference, scientists long ago came up with a conclusion that dark matter particles cannot cool and collapse on any scale. What they suggest is dark matter cannot cool off by radiating energy, and even it could. They may come together to form compact objects in a similar manner. Baryonic matter creates galaxies, stars, planets. However, dark matter does not behave like this. It resides only in diffuse halos. What is galaxy consists of condensed dark matter in a bunch, and we just have not discovered them yet. Researchers at Rutgers University have proposed a new model that allows the dark matter to cool. The model forecasts the substructure of hundreds and thousands of dark matter sprinkled throughout the galaxy, without denying the fact that most of those create a halo. The baryonic matter cooled down and interactions between charged particles led to the creation of cosmic structures. In dark matter also carry particles that contain similar charge to baryonic particles. Perhaps it could cool down. In the new model, the dark matter consists of two types of charged particles, something similar to electrons and protons. These particles are capable of radiating energy, which enables dark matter to create gravitational collapsed object with unique mass, scales lesser than that of Milky Way-like galaxy. Dark matter cooling is obstructed and it's stuck in a halo above some critical mass of dark matter. Particle present in the galaxy below that mass and enough dense dark matter. Blob could assemble together to form a compact object. The model opens the possibility that dark matter and the galaxy play host to a notable number of collapsed structures. Such structures are not well studied yet, but they are potentially interesting. Other researchers have also worked in the same areas, but they didn't manage to explain why galactic halos do not collapse. What's next? This is just a natural starting point that opens many interesting avenues for further studies. There are still lots of things to cover in future. So, hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel to see more and more interesting videos. And till tomorrow, when I will release my next video, you watch my other videos so that you can enjoy with my other interesting topics. So for today, this much. Hope you like the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel to get more and more our interesting videos. Bye. Stay happy. And see fact 18.